What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release July 10th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the upcoming Air Jordan Retro for Paris releasing on July 27th. I do have pairs of these shipping out early on fineline1721.com, and I also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, as you can see, we got the standard Air Jordan Retro box with the two-tone color blocking, sail, and kind of like a dark brown with the orange Jumpman logo sitting on the top. And also, as you can see throughout, it has kind of like a camo decal sitting on the top of the whole box. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro text, dark driftwood, sail, and hemp. Size 9.5 and men, 11W we're going to be taking a look at. Flip the box lid up. Then we're greeted with some white kind of like clear paper with the camo print. Peel that back, go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Camo Wnba PE exclusive, whichever you want to call it. Before we get a closer look at the shoe, these do come with a couple added accessories. We have a pair of spare laces inside of one shoe dressed in that orange colorway, and on the right shoe inside of the pair they come with a orange dog tag, the Wnba logo sitting on the top and All-Star underneath it, and on the other side we got the Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Air Jordan print. And now with the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the shoe. Starting off with that top down view, creamy brown sock liner, gray insole with the orange Wnba logo sitting on the top. Taking a look at the tongue, Nike replaced the stitched in Jumpman logo with a metal one, which is kind of like glued on top of the tongue. Got the brown laces, brown eyelets up top, and also brown eyelets on the side and on the bottom. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as you can see, we got the all over camo print in that canvas material. There is no elephant print on the toe or the heel. Everything is exactly the same material going throughout the whole upper. All white midsole, clear air bubble unit. Taking a look at the outsole, we do have a translucent outsole around the toe. Going around the bottom, brown outsole with the bright orange traction pod at the toe, and that same bright orange is the colorway of the Jordan branding sitting on the bottom. Going around to the heel of the shoe, got the black Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Air. There is nothing behind the tab, nothing behind the tongue. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Camo Wnba exclusive. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, head over to the website, fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.